Hi guys, in this video I am going to starting the SLR parser from the second step. That means second step means just finding the first and follow functions. So how to find the first and follow functions I already explained in my previous videos. It is very simple guys. Here they asked us to find the first of yes and first of a and the follow of yes and follow of a. These are the non-terminals guys. See the productions what they give guys, that is a yes and a. Yes and a are the non-terminals. So for these productions we need to find the first of yes and follow of yes, first of a and follow of a. Now first of yes means whatever the first symbol have by the yes, we are going to write it there. Here yes have one non-terminal. We cannot place that non-terminal directly in the table. So what we are going to do, in place of the non-terminal, we are going to produce or replacing it with their terminals guys. What this terminal, it has only A. So replace it with A. Now, what is the first of A? First of S is small a. Then again it has another production, that is B, and first of S is small b. So those are the two things which I wrote here. After that, first of A guys. First of A means whatever the first terminals it has. See here it has yes. Yes is non-terminal. We cannot replace yes there. So in place of yes, we are going to replace it with its terminals. Terminal is B. In place of yes, we are going to write it with B. That is first of A is B, and here one terminal, that is A. So that's it guys. First of A and yes. Now follow of yes. For follow of yes, a dollar is a default symbol. Now what about this BA? That means follow of yes. See here. Here we have yes production. Just check at the right side guys, not at this left side. Only at right side. Just see the follow of yes. Yes won't have any follows. So write the production of its producer. So here yes produces this string. So write the production of this yes. So yes of yes is we won't get anything. So there is no any productions for it. Now here check for this. Here yes has a one product, that means one follower, that is A. Now A means write the first of A. First of A. First of A is BA. BA is the first of A. Just wrote it here. Now let's check if any follows is there for yes. No, there are no any follows. Just leave it. Now check for A. For A, here only it has a yes. It has yes. So automatically write the first of yes. That is first of yes is BA. Here we need to follow only two conditions. That is, if the terminal, that is the non-terminal, has any follows. If it has any follows, just write the first of that symbol. If it won't have any follows, then go to find the first of the, that means go to find the follow of the production, whatever it gave. Next thing is, the third thing is writing the table guys. Table is very easy, that is action and go to states. Action means it consists of terminals. Go to means it consists of non-terminals. Here, action may consist of four types, that is shift, reduce, accept and errors. So, shift, reduce, accept and errors. Now here go to only consists of the non-terminals. Those are the two non-terminals we have, that is yes and A. I just wrote it here. Then here terminals are of A, B. Now why we wrote the dollar means guys, here follow of yes we have dollar. So dollar is also terminal. I wrote the terminal here. Now just find for the 0 of A. 0 of A means I naught of A. How we are going to write it guys? This is the I naught. And what is I naught of A guys? Here I naught of A is I4. Just write the letter, that means sorry, digit, only 4. Write only 4 guys here. Only 4. With 4 we are going to give one yes. Yes means a shift. Yes is known as a shift. So just write the direct digits, guys. What are the direct digits? I naught of B, that is I3. So just write the 3 with the symbol yes there. 3 with a symbol yes. So for dollar we don't have anything. Here also S4, S3, that means 1 of A, 1 of B means I1 of A, I1 of B, like that. Here I1 of dollar, that means guys, I will say afterwards how to find this accepted state. Now here I naught of yes, I naught of A, these are all also symbols. That means from the symbols we are going to writing. I naught of A, what we got 2. The same digit, write it here. I naught of A is 2. I naught of S is 1. In the same way, I just filled the table. Now let's move to the this R2, R4 values. How to write this? So after writing all the shifting, that means S values. So just seeing the values, how we are calculated here, and by just seeing those values, write them here by adding s to it. Now see how to write this r. R means a reduce function. What is a reduce function, guys? How to find that means just write all the final state. First, let us see that here I3 I have as final. That is s derives b dot. It is the I3 state. Now here we are going to do one small thing, that is giving the what a sequence for the productions. That is like this, giving the sequence for the production. So these are all the augmented grammars. For this augmented grammar we need to give the sequence. So here I just gave the letters for it. Now check what that means at which place this s derives b is present. That is at the second production. Now remember two things. This is called as a row, guys. In third row, what is the production number? 2. So third row is replaced by R2. R is reduced phase, 2 is the production number. Here, how to place it, guys? Here we also need to check the column. That means how here we have the S production. No, for this S production, see the follow of S. Follow of S means for follow of S we have three symbols, dollar, A and B. So in these three places we are going to replace it with R2 in the third row. Let us see that, guys. So in the third row for A, B and dollar I am going to represent it with R2. So in the fourth row I just wrote it for A, B. Why? Because let us check. So here for what I have final state, that is A derives A dot. So it is the I4, guys. Let us look at which place this production is presented. So if you look at it, we just find that this is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means at the fourth production. That means here we are going to write it at the fourth production in the fourth row. That means fourth row is replaced by R4. Then in how many places we need to write? For that we need to see the follow of A. Follow of A, guys. Follow of A is A comma B. So only in A comma B places, and at the fourth row we are going to represent it with R4. See it, guys. Here R4 and R4. Now for remaining all these, guys, just write the same as it is. That is R3, R3 and R1, R1. So these are all common, guys. Just to find the final state from the canonical collections and write them here. So let us see that how to find this accepted state means, guys. Here this is the starting symbol, that is a yes. For this in the augmented grammar we have added s dash for that. S dash derives yes. So what we are going to do it, guys? Augmented grammar, just write it as the accepted state. So this augmented grammar is writing as the accepted state, that too at the I1 place. Why, guys? Why we are using at I1 place means only at the I1 place we got the final state for it. Only at the I1 state we got final state for it. So at I1 I1 of dollar, the 2 on the dollar side, because for S dash we don't have any productions. That means we don't have any terminals. So the 2 at the I1 state of the dollar, we are going to write the accepted state. See here guys, the 2 at the I1 of dollar, we are going to write the accepted states. That's it guys. The table is very simple. We need to remember that first we are going to enter all the canonical collections by using the S on the terminal side and without using the S on the non-terminal side. And after that, check the final states if any final states are present. For that, we are going to check the row and the production value, and with that follow of that particular production. With that, we are going to fill in this table. So in the next video, let us see how to pass the input symbol by using this table. Thank you guys.